So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, friends. Today we are going to discuss on one of the hot topic, which is artificial intelligence prompts for application support and technical support engineers, which are 100% used and tested by me. So, these 10 prompts are very, very important in your day-to-day life uh, to resolve the incidents on time and fasten up your work. So if you want the PDF for these 10 prompts, please subscribe the channel, click on bell icon and send me mail on complexsql@gmail.com. Complexsql@gmail.com. You will get the PDF and these 10 prompts, which are daily use prompts for you to resolve the issue as fast as possible. So why we are doing this? So our big idea is in today's AI world, you require to secure your job and learn the AI. Utilize the AI to resolve your issues as fast as possible, right? So our big idea is to use the AI prompt to resolve application support or technical support issues. So first is troubleshooting. So what application support engineer will do? First, he will do the troubleshooting of the application. So in troubleshooting, there is error diagnosis, there is log analysis and performance degradation. These kind of issues you might be facing on daily basis, right? So let's consider how we can do the error diagnosis using the AI prompts. Okay, you might use the Copilot, you might use the ChatGPT, you might use Gemini or Perplexity. These are some AI tools which you can use to check the errors in your application. So I'll just explain the prompt and then I'll show you the practical example for that prompt. So first, error diagnosis prompt. So let's say you are a senior application support engineer. Your context is you're getting some error on the application, like 404 error is one of the error. So how to write that prompt? You can give the context to the AI engine like error, this. You can give the application name, its version and operating systems. If you have tried some steps to resolve that issue, you can add that steps and give this prompt like you require the output in plain English. So write plain English, root cause, step by step fix and commands, verification test and prevention tips. Okay, so let's see the practical example for this on Perplexity. So I have already written the prompt for you. Like you are a senior application support engineer. Context, I have given the ORA 12154 error, that is TNS could not resolve the connect identifier specified. Let's say you are not able to connect to Oracle browser, right? So application is Oracle Workday HCM version we have given, operating system we have given, and same prompt we have pasted. Okay, same thing. So look at the output what Perplexity has given us. So it has given us the uh, regarding the error, regarding the root cause diagnosis, like connection analysis specified in the application string is not defined in TNS names.ora. So many times we forget to add the connection string in TNS name.ora. So path is wrong. So that is the second root cause. That might be the second root cause and syntax. So how to resolve that issue? AI has given you the steps. So locate the configuration file. Where is the configuration file? Verify the admin variable. So TNS underscore admin is environmental variable that you require to verify. And it has given the detailed steps. You can see that. And restart the services, etc. etc. How to do the verification test? It has given the details about those steps as well. So if you can use these kind of prompts, you can resolve your issue as soon as possible and don't wait to analyze or diagnose or troubleshoot that issue. Rather than that, you can use direct AI prompt to check and get the steps correctly. So this is all about first our first AI prompt. Now we will discuss about the second AI prompt, which is for log analysis. As an application support engineer, you require to analyze the logs, and you know that log files are very huge and it's very difficult to find where exactly the issue is, where exactly the error is. So for that, I have created one prompt like analyze these logs. You can paste last 50 lines of the logs with the timestamp. What is the symptom? Let's say you are getting DNS TNS names dot aura error. So you can write that, describe the issue correctly, and next thing you require to add the environment details like production environment, staging environment, what database tool you are using, what application you are using. You need to add that. Then identify patterns for top three causes ranked likelihood diagnosis command to run next and immediate workaround. Give us the immediate workaround. So if you can fire this query, then the Perplexity or any AI tool will give you the detailed steps to resolve the issue, and you can analyze the logs, and your 2 hours work will be 5 or 10 minutes work. Then third prompt is regarding performance degradation. You might have faced many issues regarding applications performance, system performance, right? So let's say application named Workday is having latency spike from 200 millisecond to 5 second. Under which users you can add that users metrics, what is CPU utilization, what is memory utilization, you can add that. Recent changes, if you change something in application level, you can add that list. And what you require from AI, you require the bottlenecks like DB query or monitoring queries to add scaling steps, example Kubernetes, or rollback plan. If you can't resolve this issue, you require some rollback plans, how to do that rollback. So you don't require to take tension about how to do the rollback stepwise. Everything the Copilot tool or any Perplexity tool or any of the AI tool will give you that information properly, correctly. So these are all about three troubleshooting prompts. Next, we will discuss about monitoring application. As an application support engineer, you require to monitor the application. But if I can say you like, if you can use the AI tool to monitor your application effectively, then yeah, that's true. So what we are checking first is drift detection. So if you want to review some metrics, like review these metrics, accuracy dropped from 95% to 82% over 7 days. And you can paste the data sample. Check data drift, model degradation, any configuration issues are there, any other issues are there, then you can ask AI engine to check on that. Suggest retrain triggers, A/B test plan, and altering rules for any of the application. Let's say I'm using Prometheus or Grafana as an application to monitor that thing. You can add that. Add your applications, whatever you are using. So AI engine will give you the correct response. Next is related to security. So security is the key part. You know that nowadays with this AI, the security is one of the vital part. So how to use the prompt and how to take or fetch the data whatever required by us. So what is potential security breach? You can describe that anomaly. You will get it from multiple tools, whatever you are using for security purpose. Example, unusual API calls. Let's say there is unusual API calls. You can add that. You can paste the logs, assess the risk, prompt injection or PII leak, whatever risk is, you can ask AI tool to assess that risk. Containment steps, what steps we require to resolve that issue. Forensic queries like SQL queries or post incident report template. You can ask the AI to give us the post incident report template as well. AI will give you all detailed information about security incidents with this simple prompt, one liner prompt or two-liner prompt. So you can utilize that prompts effectively to resolve your issues on time. So these are all about monitoring application prompts. Now we will discuss about ticket and workflow prompts. As an application support engineer, you require to deal with many issue management tools like Jira, Rally, or any other tools. So what application support engineer to do to analyze the ticket fast, triage that ticket fast. So for that, I have written some prompts. So let's say there is one ticket. We require to classify that ticket, paste the description, paste the priority, auto resolution if possible. If auto resolution is possible, give me the script, route to the team, which is the correct team. You can just ask the AI like what will be the correct team and suggested response template with empathy and ETA. What will be the probable ETA to resolve this ticket? So that is important part. So that thing also you can track or ask it to AI directly. If your organization is embedded with Copilot AI, you can use Copilot AI. If you are using Jira, there is tool named Rovo. So Rovo will give you all those details regarding the ticket. So this is all about the ticket triage AI prompt. Next is predictive alert. So you require to check, monitor all the alerts for historical tickets. So you can ask that to AI. Historical tickets show me the pattern. Example, DB spikes on Friday. Predict any next outage risk. Generate the monitoring script. If you want to generate any monitoring script to predict all those things, then you can ask the AI. You can just get that script, run it on bash or python for some matrix. If you require the matrix for all the incidents resolved in last week, you can get that matrix easily or get that script easily with using AI. Alert thresholds and auto remediation. If there are some issues like login issues due to the cache, then then AI will suggest you auto remediation steps to resolve that issue as well. So you don't require to analyze, troubleshoot it in detail. So these are all about ticket and workflow prompts. So next three prompts we will discuss about code deployment and related process issues. So first is script generation. If you want to generate any script, write a bash or Python script for this task, like check application health across 10 pods, alert on failure. Give me the alert on failure. Include error handling logging to that specified path and run as cron every 5 minutes. That cron job you require to run in every 5 minutes. You require to monitor that things in every 5 minutes. So you can generate that script. So this is for one of the example I have given this script, so this prompt. You can just copy paste that prompt and change it as per your convenience. Then second prompt for code and deployment related process is optimization. So optimize this configuration file for high traffic production issues. Focus on connection pooling timeouts. If you want to check the timeout issues, you can add that security headers, explain the changes and test commands. So this prompt is very useful for configuration optimization. You can use it for code optimization as well. You can just paste that query and ask AI that what are the steps to optimize that specified query. RCA reports. Root cause analysis reports are most important reports when you are dealing with the incidents. So if you want to generate some RCA reports for some incidents, you can use this prompt. Generate RCA for the incident, summary timeline. You can give the impact, root cause, what is suspected root cause, that you can give it in one or two liners, and include the timeline diagram if any, why that issue occurs, action items with owner dates, and prevention playbook. So you can get all the information. You can just copy that information and dump it to your knowledge base. So these are 10 most important commands, or you can say prompts, which we can use in application support to fasten up our application support activities. Thanks for listening to this video till end. And if you want all the prompts in detail in PDF format, please subscribe the channel, click on bell icon. That is very important. And then send me the mail on complexsql@gmail.com. You will get all the prompts, all the details, as well as the practical examples as well. So I have created some practical examples. I have showcased you the one, but yeah, you will get all those things.